Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to harmonize vocals in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So guys, let's go and see how we can go ahead and harmonize our vocals. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen you can see this big red circle that we have that we can use for recording and so on. So what I want to do after I have finished recording my tracks and I want to harmonize, then go right here into the upper left corner and click this button in the middle. This is going to open up this edit mode where we can get started with mastering our tracks. So you can see here I have my tracks like my drums, keyboard and so on, and my audio recording that I can now harmonize. So all I have to do guys is go right here at the top of the screen, click the sliders option. The sliders option is going to enable us to start using master effects. You also have the FX option right here that's going to enable you to mess with the FX of the track, but you can use the track settings right here, and if you scroll down you can see you can find your master effects. So you have your master effects as well as your plugins and equalizer, and these are all the options that you can use for mastering your track and getting your desired harmonization of your tracks. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.